Yeah, hello guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video. This is Mr. Legit, and today's topic, I'll be showing you guys a very interesting topic. I'm gonna be showing you how you can shop, how you can buy iPhones. Especially most of us that want to do all this iPhone business. Today, I'm gonna show you a very simple site. No, not everyone is aware about the site, so I'm gonna show you how you're going to do this. I'm going to show you a site. It's not a secret site. Everybody knows about this site, but so many people don't know. And this kind of site can fetch you this amount of money. So what I'm going to do, literally, I'm going to show you how you will be able to start an iPhone business. Those of us that doesn't have money to buy expensive iPhones to resell, I'm going to show you how you will buy iPhones on a very cheaper rate and sell it high and make more money. You're going to make more profit from this kind of business. So this is a very nice business. I've been doing this business for long, so it's no longer a secret. I just want to show it to some of us that really want to make money online by selling things online. So what I'm going to do is, this is what I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you how this really works. So this is what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to show you the top one shocking platform to buy cheap iPhones and resell to make money 2023. This is what I'm going to show you for today. I'm going to show you how you will be able to make money from this platform. So the platform I'm going to introduce to you is Facebook. Most of us know how Facebook has been helping us to market our products. Facebook has been helping us. Some people only knows Facebook as a social media site, as a chatting site, but I bet you guys that not everyone is aware about Facebook, on how Facebook can make you much money. So I just want to show this to most of us that we don't have any idea about this. So I'm going to show you how you can do this. The first thing you're going to do is to create a Facebook account. If you don't know how to create a Facebook account, just go to Google, search and sign up. You're going to see how to create a Facebook account. But I'm going to tell you guys that not every Facebook account can do this. Not every Facebook account. So the only Facebook accounts I can recommend for you to do this kind of business, in which you can buy iPhones and resell to make more profit, you need to have a Facebook account that is old, at least from 5 years upward. And secondly, your Facebook account must have a marketplace. So it's from the marketplace I'll be able to show you guys on how you can actually buy cheaper iPhones, and show you a platform where you can also resell it and make more money, especially those of us who are in Nigeria. But if you are not from Nigeria and you really want to know how to do this, make sure you drop a comment below this video, indicate your country, and I'm going to make a video to show you how you can also do this business from your own country. So without wasting much of your time, I will have to proceed. I will have to go into Facebook. I'll have to log in my Facebook. Actually, this Facebook account I created is just for this video tutorial to show you guys. So this is my Facebook account, and you have to make sure that your Facebook has marketplace. So this is where you can find your marketplace. Make sure your Facebook has a marketplace. A marketplace is where you can buy things on Facebook. You can buy things and also sell things on Facebook. So this is what we'll be doing, and I'm going to check this location. So you can set your present location and make some kind of a research. You can search for some phones, some cheaper phones from your area, and if you go through the phones and you see that the phones are okay, then you can chat up the person you guys are going to meet. You access the phone, you like the phones, you buy the phone. So what I normally do is I go in search of iPhones. I go in search of iPhones that had minor issues that can be fixed. So at least you can get those phones at a very cheaper rate. Once you get them at a very cheaper rate, then you fix the minor problem and resell them on a higher rate. So as you can see, this is an iPhone X. This very one has no face ID. You can see this very one has no face ID. So this very iPhone that doesn't have face ID, you can actually chat up this person and you can beat the price. You guys can bargain price. For example, his price over here is 100,000 naira. So you can bargain 80,000. Once he accepts, you buy the phone. Once you buy the phone, and I will show you the platform which you can go over there and post the phone. and you can sell this phone at the rate of 120,000. That is, if you're buying it at the rate of 100,000, you're making 20,000 profit from here. So I will go down to check for some phones that have minor issues, some iPhones that have minor issues. Yeah, you can see this is another hot selling phone. This is an iPhone X. This iPhone X is going for the rate of 50,000 naira. You can see now, getting an iPhone X, you will make sure that at least if you have up to like 180, that is when you will be able to purchase an iPhone X. So for this very iPhone, you can see over here it has minor issue, and the issue over here can be fixed. The only issue it has here, Face ID is not working. The space is 128 gigabyte and the battery health is 90%. So this is a very good offer. So I will have to, I can also bargain price with this person. Okay, this is it. I'm going to pay 40,000, or I'm going to pay this. Once the person accepts, you guys are going to meet. You access the phone and see that this is exactly what you want. You can buy the phone from the person and fix up this issue and resell it. So let's go down to see if you can see some other stuffs here. Let's see if you can see some other phones here. Okay, you can see so many phones over here. This is an iPhone 6 for 30,000. When you keep scrolling, you can see this is another iPhone. This is an iPhone X. You can see this. This is an iPhone X. This is an iPhone X. So you can also buy it. This one is going for the rate of 80,000. 80,000 naira. You can buy this. It has battery fault, so the only issue you're going to fix here is to buy the battery and replace. And once you buy the battery and replace, let me say the battery should be 10,000. So once you buy the battery to replace, and you can sell it at the rate of 150,000 naira. Let's say you are spending 80 plus 10, that should be 90,000. You bought the phone at the rate of 90,000. Let's do some calculation here. This the rate which you're buying the phone, 90,000. Then after buying the phone, you fix up the issue, and I'm very sure this phone has a working Face ID. You fix up the issue, which is only going to cost 10,000. Once you fix up the issue, then you can resell it at the rate of 150,000. So this is 150,000 which you're going to sell the phone, and people are going to rush the phone because people really need this phone. And at this very amount which you really keep the phone is a very good amount. So if you should minus, let's say this 150k, you minus 90,000, you can see, wow, you can see your gain which you're going to make from this very phone is 60,000 naira. So guys, that is a very good opportunity. This is a very good business model which you can start with at least 50 or 100,000, and you're gonna make massive sales, massive money from here. So this is it. If I keep going, if I keep scrolling, you're gonna see a lot of offers. You're gonna see a lot of phones at a very cheaper rates. You're gonna see so many phones at a very cheaper rate. So I wouldn't want to make this video long. I just have to do it short so that we all can follow up and implement any of these steps here. So that is it. So the second site which I'm going to show you, to you, is where you will be able to sell those phones after purchasing them and fixing the issues. So the second site I'm going to show you is this. Sorry, let's see if I have the app. If you're from Nigeria, you're gonna download this app called Gigi. Yeah, this is Gigi. So this is the second site this is where you're going to be selling your phones. You can also resell them on Facebook, but people are not gonna patronize you because it depends on your price. So once you come to Gigi, you can actually sell the phone here, upload the phone, and sell the phone ASAP. So that is it. That is how you can actually make money by buying phones at a cheaper rate and selling them at a higher rate. For those of us who are not from Nigeria, I'm gonna make a video to show you guys where you can actually sell your own phones which you've gotten from Facebook Marketplace. So make sure you comment on this video, make sure you drop a comment, indicate your country, and I'm gonna make a video to show you on how you can sell the phones which you've gotten, the cheaper iPhones which you have gotten, show you how to you can sell them on from your own country where you are actually residing. I'm going to show you how you can go about this and how you can do it. Make sure you like, you subscribe, you share this video. If you really enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up if you really enjoy it. And most of us that haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Come to Mr. Legit. You're gonna see Mr. Legit. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I drop a new video to show you how to make money online, how to do so many things that can fetch you good amount of money online. So I hope you really enjoy this video. See you guys in our next class, and that is it. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much.